Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some homemade Play-Doh that's really nice and soft. And let's get started. So the things that you will need to make this Play-Doh is 1 cup of plain flour, half a cup of hot water, 1/4 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of any kind of oil, and a few different food colorings. I'm not using liquid because I don't have it, so I'm using powder, and I will be using the colors yellow, green and red. And you also need a bowl to mix everything in. So now you're going to mix your plain flour, salt, lemon juice and oil. So now we have finished our mixing, we're going to move on to the next stage. So after we've mixed our dry ingredients thoroughly and even wet ingredients, we are going to put them and divide them all in 3 different groups, and we're going to do that by taking 1 tablespoon and putting it in each bowl until we have finished from this big bowl and we don't have any more inside, like this. So now we have divided our mixture into 3 different parts. Now we are going to move on to the next stage. Now I am going to put the food coloring into each bowl here. For this bowl I'm using green, for this bowl I am using red, and for this bowl I'm using yellow. So, and after I do that I'm going to mix it all in thoroughly, and I'm going to make a hole for it to be in. So now I have completed mixing in my yellow, and I'm going to do the same thing for my green color. So now I've finished mixing in my green color, I'm going to move on to my red. For the next step we are going to use hot water, and you need an adult to help you for this stage because hot water can burn your hands, so it's safer if an adult does it for you. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons inside one of our bowls, like this. And then mix it. Okay, so now all of our flour is gone. I can use my hands to start kneading the dough. So now I have finished kneading my dough, and this one is finished. I'm going to move on to my other doughs now. Okay, so now I have finished my 3 Play-Dohs, and these are how they look, and they're really good, they're really soft. And the reason why I used warm water for this is because when I used it with cold water, look, now it's become really hard. So that's why we used warm water for this. And I would suggest to put this in an airtight bag so it stays longer and it's more nice and soft for longer. And enjoy playing with your Play-Dohs. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.